Hello everyone. I know everyone wants to be a hacker, isn't it? You may have seen in movies. Hackers' location is changing from one place to another like this, isn't it? This is called location bouncing. You can change your location in every 5 seconds like this. I will show how we can do this in real life. I am using Kali Linux operating system here. We are going to use the Tor in our machine. That is the onion router. You can use the same command I am using here. If you are not a root user, you should add sudo command in front of every command I use here. Your Kali machine should be connected to internet for installation. Here Tor is already running in my machine. To start Tor, use this command I have used here. To confirm the status of Tor machine, type system ctl status Tor. This will show working status of Tor. Here you can see Tor is running. Now to run our tool, Python pip is important. So install Python using the same method. Here Python pip is already installed. Now it's time to install tool in Kali. Tool name is Tornet. Type apt install Tornet. This will download and install Tor. Tornet is successfully installed in Kali. Here the command we use is Tornet interval count. Here interval show in how many seconds the location should change. And count ask for how long this process continue. You can add count in seconds. If 0 is given, it will go infinite. Before we press enter, we should set the proxy settings in the browser. Add this IP address and port number. Then enable proxy DNS option and click OK. Now we are using the command with required interval and count. You can see the IP is changing. We can confirm it by DNS leak test. You can see my location is at Austria. This websites will not get update as fast our IP is changing. So we need to open another website to see the new location. You can see here, each tab is showing each IP address and different location. Now to stop this, we have to remove proxy from browser and stop the Tor using Ctrl+C command. I hope you understood this. For more cybersecurity videos, subscribe my channel.